Hello, I am dentist Mohamed Tarzi. Today I will explain for you the whole smile procedure. The whole smile procedure includes two branches. The first branch is periodontal treatment and the second branch is prosthesis treatment. Firstly, we have to start from the gummy smile. Exactly, periodontal treatment includes the gummy smile. And the second procedure is prosthesis procedure. This is include the veneers, the type of veneers that we apply for the patient. Exactly, the patient or people's contact with us to make them smile is more better. And this is include face beautification. And the teeth is the most common, give to the pupil a good smile. And firstly, we contact with our patient and they want to make the aesthetic procedure. And after that, we will decide the type of veneer and the color and the shape of the teeth. After that, we will apply it for our patient and they will be leave from our clinic beautifully.